everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crash Designs. I'm coming by today just because I was asked to show this, so I'm sure y'all are sick of these wand videos, but this is what I did with the red point that I made from the gelatos. This is the green one. Where I drilled the hole at the bottom, I fished a wire through and bent it over. And that is how I'll secure the point. Of course, hot glue will hold it in position, but those two wires right there will ensure that it doesn't come out. Even if it breaks loose somehow, the tip won't come off. It won't get lost. All of these are done the same way. Just fished a wire through, twisted it around, and then I'll hot glue that. Okay. These little points are actually from the same set. These just had a bit more red on the tip. And these I thought were more green. Although looking at them now. Anyway. So. These are just a few of the other ones that I'm working on. I found some more bells. The only other bells I could find. If y'all knew how embarrassing that is, because I kid you not, I have bells in every size somewhere in this room. So, bells, these just came from the Dollar Tree. And then little pearls. These I will probably do with white gesso instead of the black gesso that I do on a lot of these. Just to give them that kind of winter kind of appearance. And then this one is the other polymer clay. I'm so proud of this one. I love the way this point came out, although I didn't care for the other end quite so much, so that's why it worked so well. Okay. I just love that. And then last but not least, I'm gonna say it again, I don't know why. I actually love these. They're silver lined olive glass bead. I believe they're from Fire Mountain Gems, maybe? And these tiny little skulls. Okay. I used the little skulls because these beads have a gigantic hole. So there was no way to make it attractive on the end of this wand. So I fished the head pin through the skull and then through the hole in the bead, of course, which was nothing. The skull was barely large enough so that it didn't go down in the bead. And then I filled that hole up with hot glue while holding the... Okay, now, make no mistake, that is a real chore, because even though it's glued down with the wires, every time you... Okay, I said I would come back to show the glitter, because who doesn't want to watch glitter? Seriously. This is the green, which is a Christmas mix. It's actually Christmas green, along with a little of the opal green, and a couple of the Just Amazon mixes. If you wondered, this is a really strange angle to pour glitter from. Seriously. That got a really nice coat. Okay, I'm just going to set this aside for a minute up here in my cup of wonder. None of that. Yes, back to the State Farm bill, but hey, we actually did just get a refund from State Farm. We've had the same policy for a while now, even though we don't have the same vehicle. Although we still own it, but it doesn't do any good to own it if it don't run, right? Sorry about that. It's just a Lyn's tacky glue in a different bottle, but I didn't figure you wanted to watch glue. It's like watching somebody gesso. I know what gesso looks like. I can pretty much guess the rest. Now this red was not a, in other words, it didn't have a lot of gold or anything in it. It's just straight red. I was gonna say Christmas red, but that's not what it's called. So again, I'm gonna stick this up here in my cup. If it will fit. Oh yeah, okay. Make the cup too top heavy. Okay, then I'll just return the glitter. Oh, I love that part. I think it's actually it came with a nail. A nail kit. Okay. Here they are. Just a fun little polymer clay tip that we wired on to the shaft of the wand, and then we wired on the crystal points and glass beads. So these make such a great Christmas gift. Of course, now I'll take them outside and spray a coat of clear on them. Probably a couple of coats. Again, this one has the polymer clay tip. I really love this one. Again, crystal points, crackle glass beads, they're all wired on. Under the hot glue. Hot glue does get a really bad rep because it's not meant to hold everything. It has its uses, and then it has its things it's not good for. So Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, this was just a requested video, so there's what happened to the polymer clay tips. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll leave links to the glitter down below, and possibly the crystal points. Bye for now. Sorry, I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from, and the rest of my social media links are listed below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.